In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the QuickBooks chart of accounts. Whether you're a business owner, an accountant, or anyone who wants to efficiently manage their financial information, exporting the chart of accounts is an essential task. The chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online holds a lot of valuable information about your business's financial health, and being able to export it allows you to access, share, and analyze this data outside of QuickBooks, such as in a spreadsheet for further examination or reporting. Let's dive right into the process. Once logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your QuickBooks dashboard, a familiar space if you've been using the platform for any length of time. Now let's move on to the vital step of accessing your chart of accounts. To do this, you'll need to locate the Settings menu. On the dashboard, you'll find the gear icon. This is like your command center for settings within QuickBooks Online. Click on that gear icon, and among the drop-down options, you'll see Chart of Accounts. Click on this option to proceed. Entering here will show you a detailed list of all your accounts, where everything is methodically organized and at your fingertips. As you can see, exporting this information isn't quite instantaneous. It follows a structured process, but it's quite manageable once you get the hang of it. Look towards the right side of the page and you should spot a printer icon. Click on this icon. This isn't to print per se, but rather it provides an option to adjust the export settings. Don't worry, we're almost there. After clicking on the print icon, another prompt will appear where you'll again select Print. This option is pivotal as it sets up the information for export. Now, you'll be presented with a dialog box or a window that lets you select the destination or format you wish to save your file in. Here's where it gets customizable. You can name this file anything you deem suitable, something easy to remember or associate with the current export. This is important because a good file name will help you easily identify the exported data later when you need to access it. Once you've settled on a file name, make sure you're saving it to a location on your computer that you'll remember. Many opt for saving directly to their desktop for quick access, but a dedicated folder for all your QuickBooks exports might help in maintaining better organization. When you've decided on the name and location, you'll then want to click the Save button. This final step ensures that all that valuable data is now being exported from QuickBooks Online to a file on your computer, ready for you to use in whichever manner you see fit. And there you have it. It's not too complicated, right? By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully exported your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. This action gives you the flexibility to review, share, or further analyze your company's financial standing without being tethered to QuickBooks. As a quick tip, remember to regularly export this information, especially before making significant modifications to your accounts or at the end of your fiscal periods. It serves as a great backup and allows for better historical comparisons down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial on exporting your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online both useful and easy to follow. Keep exploring the vast capabilities of QuickBooks, and don't hesitate to delve into other features that can optimize how you manage your business finances. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be glad to assist. Happy accounting, and see you in the next video.